you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way, only keep the fair.
Hey mamas, today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be working with Nadula Hair with their kinky straight texture. This is a 5x5 HD lace closure unit in 24 inches, and the hair is to die for. Super nice and soft, super flat unit. And if you'd like to know more about this unit, definitely stay tuned to the end. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did my quick and easy glueless install. Like, your wig is literally going to stay on all day, and it's so easy to come off whenever you are ready to take it off. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So if you'd like to purchase this unit off rip, which I would highly recommend, the hair is everything. The links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
Too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400, I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss it. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Yeah. Shorty, I know what you need. I got everything you need. I promise I ain't gonna hold out, nigga. I'm gonna give it all to you, baby. Swear to God.
Alright you guys, so right now I have on my unit from Nadula Hair. They went ahead and sent me this 5x5 HD lace closure unit in kinky straight and in 24 inches. Some of the hair is pulled to the back, not too much, just a little bit. So let me just put everything to the front so you guys can see. This is what the wig looks like. I'm loving the texture. I'm always here for a kinky straight unit, and this wig had the adjustable straps in the back as well as an adjustable band, so 2 reinforced bands, which is something that I do love when they do, because then your wig is nice and snug and you do get that extra reinforcement. So far so good. I didn't go through the hair super duper detailed. As you guys can see, I did do it in chunks, and honestly I'm loving it. It looks as though I'm natural, and I done a blowout. I didn't do baby hairs also because, you know, I just really wanted to embody the whole natural vibe, and this is just what it's giving. So far so good. I cannot complain. The hair feels nice and soft, and it's easy to straighten. Usually when you do get kinky straight hair, they recommend not straightening it on the highest heat, and I did, and this hair held through it all. There were no hair fibers coming out, like everything was just good. So if you'd like to get your hands on this unit, you are definitely getting good quality hair, and the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out. If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and that is pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye babes.